Hey fam, it is a real one's birthday month. I just got to say that because I'm a big cap. Anywho, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. If you like what you see, I would love it if you subscribe on your way out or on your way in. Hit that subscribe button if you're already feeling the energy. So today we have a wig review, and it is brought to you by the lovely Tinashe hair. This is how the package came that they sent me. So I'm assuming it's goodies in here and the wig is in here. Ooh, they loved your girl down with the goodies, okay? Lately, I've been getting some real bomb lashes from hair companies. And then, you know, basically the regular stuff. You know, some companies just basically send the wig and a wig cap. But I love me a company that sends, you know, goodies, because, you know, you're spending your coin, okay? So when you open your package, you have the care instructions along with like their social media handles. And you have the gorgeous wig. I already know this wig about to be a vibe. Let me sip on my vanilla cinnamon tea. So this wig does come pre-plucked and pre-bleached. So we love that for us because it's going to literally be a good throw on and go. The last wig that I did, if you keep up my channel, was a body wave wig, and I did a middle part. So I'm going to try to switch it up and do a side part with this one. So here is a look at the inside cap construction. I'm going to annotate on the screen like the dimensions of this cap construction as far as how much lace you get. Y'all, I'm loving these body wave wigs that come pre-styled and curled up, okay? Like, get into it. Y'all, these companies are not coming to play. When I say these, I'm talking about Tinashe, baby, come here. You see this hairline? Look, excuse my little edges or whatever, but do y'all see this hairline in the lace? Let's run our fingers through this hair. Y'all, don't laugh at my brush. I had a pretty lit weekend. Oh man, I had a pretty lit weekend, and I was acting a fool, and I broke my brush singing karaoke. Y'all, don't ask me how I did it. Just know that's how this happened. I need to go buy me another one tomorrow because I ain't doing it today. 24 inches. And this is how long it's coming on me. And I got on some pants today. I ain't got on leggings. Are you proud of me? Oh yeah, let's get into this styling because it's too good. So today is the next day. Don't ask me what happened yesterday. Let me do a little flashback of how I was looking though. Yep, just slapped it on, threw my little hat on, and went about my business. But I'm back to finish the video, so I just basically smacked it on. We're still gonna do a side part, but we're gonna turn it instead of parting it to the side. Look, like this sucker ain't going nowhere. So if you don't want to use any adhesive with this unit, you don't need to. But as for me and my extraness for today, I'm going to use a little bit of adhesive. Well, not, y'all going to see what I'm about to do. I would pull my edges out because I have been into that lately, but we're just going to use a little bit of this Eben spray I'll link the products that I'm using either on the screen or in my Amazon storefront. I'm probably going to do both. Have anybody shopped through the YouTube little ads? I haven't yet, but I'm gonna have to try something. But I'll link the stuff there and in my Amazon storefront. That's all. We ain't doing no more. We're just doing it.
I'm just trying to check you out. I'm just trying to see what you about. Let me know what's up, I'm in route. I ain't trying wild to stress you out. Come swing my way for a little bit. I'm just trying to link, it's been a minute. My crib like bounce.
Okay, it's been about 5 minutes. I trimmed most of the lace back except for like on the very sides. Because I ain't tripping like that, you know what I mean? Because I know the hair is going to cover it. I'm going to do a little swoop, but I'm going to use mousse. Then I'm going to mold this down a little bit with my hot comb. I'm done finessing it. I am drinking hot cocoa spiked with coffee. Got me in a chokehold, okay? Forgot to put the microphone on earlier, but I think you guys still heard me. So, finishing off this look, I just dusted a little bit of powder in the parting space. I wanted to come in really quickly and show you guys how the parting space is looking. And this is day 3 of me rocking this unit, and I love it. And I did not have to bring out the curling iron or the flat iron. Now, honestly, if I wanted to be really extra, which I thought I was initially, but I feel like the purpose of these wigs are to show you guys that they're extremely beginner friendly. But if I wanted to be, you know, extra and do a little razzle dazzle, I would bring out my shears, which they are right here because I was prepared to do so. And I would, you know, just cut some face framing layers. But we just gonna keep it like this for today. So, 24 inches glueless wig. You guys seen that you could wear it absolutely glueless if you wanted to and just mold it down and melt the lace with a little bit of mousse. Or you could be, you know, a little extra like me and spray a little even spray or got to be spray just for a little extra melt. Very full. And being that I didn't wash this wig yet, I don't like that. But of course, you guys need to see these curls. This is like your holiday hair when you want to have that look served and put together straight out the package. So I can't 100% speak to the longevity of this wig, but I have worked with Tinashe hair before several times. I've had bundle hair from them. I had frontals from them. I had closure wigs from them. This is a closure wig, as you guys know. And none of them steered me wrong. They all had great quality hair for a decent, affordable price. Let me know what you guys think about this unit. And until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. I want to introduce some fashion content so bad. You know, I'm on a weight loss journey, but your girl like to eat. But if you guys want to see some thick, curvy try-on hauls, chime in down below. And see y'all in the next video. The link to this hair is in the description box. Get into it.